Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to recover Google Authenticator. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this successfully. So we're going to be using our mobile device and our web browser because we want to use the existing account on our PC and recover it on our mobile device. Go ahead to google.com and please make sure that you're using the same destination account as we would wish to have on our Authenticator on our mobile device. So go ahead and click on your profile icon, then select Manage your Google account. Then right here, you're going to select Security. And then when you scroll to the bottom, you have two-step verification. Click on it. And then you're going to confirm that it's really you. In my case, we're using a passkey, but in your case, you might need to put in your email and password again. Going to click on Continue. So it's going to take you to this page and you're going to scroll down where you have Authenticator. You're going to click on it. Then after clicking on the Authenticator app, you will have this option to change Authenticator app. Click on it. And then next it says in the Google Authenticator app, tap on the plus icon, then choose Scan a QR code. So these 2 points are required to be done on your mobile device. So go ahead and open your Authenticator app on your mobile device. Tap on Get Started. And then if this option comes up, you need to make sure that it's the same account as what you have on your PC. So in this case, the account is different. We're going to use the drop-down menu, which is the arrow pointing down. And then you're going to select the destination account, click on Continue, and then you're going to tap on the plus icon. Then you're going to tap on Scan QR code. You're going to allow access to your camera. And then right here, you have the option to scan the QR code. After scanning it, you can tap on Next. And then you're going to enter the 6-digit code as seen on the app. When you do that correctly, you can click on Verify to complete the process. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.